What's good everyone? Hi, my name is Trishaa and welcome to my channel. This is a शादी स्पेशल एपिसोड नहीं वीडियो. ओके सो बहुत सारी वेडिंग्स हो रही है, आप लोगों ने भी बहुत सारी अटेंड कर ली होगी, करने वाले होंगे. सो दिस वीडियो इज बी हेल्पफुल फॉर दैट एंड ऑल्सो मैं इस वीडियो में बहुत सारी न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स भी ट्राई आउट करने वाली हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून एंड नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर मोमेंट लेट्स डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do press the red subscribe button and the bell notification as well, so that you never miss out any video of mine. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so let's start by prepping up our skin, and before we jump into the actual video, pardon me if you heard any kind of noise or anything. I cannot help you much for that, but anyways, let's skip and let's prep our skin. For the toner, I'm using this Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. This is my most favorite toner. Winter aate hi I just jump into this toner. The next step is to apply a moisturizer, and I again use this Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizer. Now I'm using an additional step, especially because it's the winter, and I'm using this facial oil by Nykaa. You can use aloe vera if you don't own any kind of facial oil. Aloe vera is also good, but I am from a dry skin type family, so I make sure that I use facial oil, especially in the winter. Now, till our face set, let's prep our lips as well, and for that I am using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Now it's time to jump into the makeup, and flawless base is what all we need, and for that correct primer choose करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And for that I am using the new product. As I said, I am going to share a lots of new product in this video, and ये product primer से ही शुरू हो रही है. So yeah, I'm using this K by Katrina primer, and it's actually a corrector. Okay, sorry, it's a color correcting primer, and I'm in the shade Peach. This product is actually a bomb product. बहुत ही अच्छा है, smooth है, and it's just perfect. If you want to invest now in a good primer, I will suggest this only. थोड़ा सा costly है. For the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation, and I'm in the shade 104 Golden Peach. ये बहुत ज़्यादा हाई कवरेज देता है, so लेयर बाय लेयर इसको बिल्ड करना है. Time for the concealer, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer, one of the best in the budget. I have literally used in a day wedding, like mid morning से मैंने मेकअप किया हुआ था, इवनिंग तक चला है, कुछ नहीं हुआ. This is something you can definitely get your hands, and I think कहीं ना कहीं सेल चलते रहते हैं, so you should definitely try this one. Now, without wasting a single moment, just set your concealer, and surprisingly I am using this Nykaa Compact, and I am in the shade 03 Peach. I'm a dry skin type family, and I just don't want to use a lot of powder to my face, so I will use a little bit of compact powder to set my under eyes, and that's it. Now this is something that I recently discovered, but it's a very useful. मैंने खुद अपनी स्किन पे अपने मेकअप पे बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस देखा है. After completing your base, use a setting spray because उससे क्या होता है कि अगर कोई भी चीज परफेक्टली ब्लेंड नहीं हुई या फिर कहीं से रह गई तो वो उसको ब्लेंड करने में, सेटल करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा. एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस NYX dewy finish setting spray. I recently get my hands on this and it's a really very good product. अभी तक मैं सारे high end वाले ही setting spray use कर रही हूँ. If you are someone who is looking a good setting spray in a budget, try NYX. It's a dewy finish. इसका एक matte version भी आता है. मैं दोनों setting spray का जो लिंक है वो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूंगी. Now let me set my brow, and for that I'm using this Maybelline का कुछ तो product है. As always, product name will be mentioned on the screen and the description box as well. And it's time to do our eyes. For that I'm using this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. This palette has neutrals, colors, glitter, shimmers, everything basically. Now what I'm going to do, I'm taking this flat fluffy brush and थोड़ा सा setting spray. इससे क्या होगा कि जो भी आपका शिमर ग्लिटर शेड है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपकी आईज पर सेट हो जाएगा. Can you see this? Now ग्लिटर या शिमर शेड लगाने के बाद जो सबसे बड़ी कंप्लेंट होती है वो है कि फॉलआउट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. So what you have to do is take a fluffy brush just like that and then just clear out all the fallout. Guys, let's add this color to our inner corners. Eyes are set beautifully. इतनी अच्छी तरीके से तो मुझे जब फंक्शन अटेंड करना था तब भी नहीं हुआ था. Anyways, let's move towards the eyeliner, and for that I'm using this K Beauty black liquid eyeliner. I cannot live without this product. It's a really magical product for me. It's a winter, so I'm not going to use any kind of powder blush, but I'm using this Face Shop Water Fit Tint. I'm in the shade 03 Picnic Red. Second last step, and that is highlighter. For that I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Highlighter. Before you do your lipstick, make sure you set your makeup, and it's a must step. Let setting spray do their work, and तब तक हम लिपस्टिक लगा लेते हैं. I am using this Masaba by Nykaa, and it's in the shade Buzzkill. And with this, our makeup is done. Time for the final reveal. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, and go. with this final look, this video comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to do all the good things, like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then,